It's shocking for me जिस तरह का unsubstantiated news आजकल reality के तौर पर पेश किया जाता है, source based news जिस तरह reality पर पेश किया जाता है, आप कहीं से कुछ अफवाह सुनते हैं और उसको अपने front page पर डाल देते हैं ये कह के कि वो असलियत है। ना तो वो असलियत होती है, ना ही आप उस न्यूज़ को वो दर्जा देते हैं कि आप पूछें कि वो सही है या नहीं, ना तो उसको सब्सटैंशिएट करते हैं किसी पेपर वर्क के साथ। सो इट्स वेरी शॉकिंग फॉर मी। मैंने कभी भी ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया था अपनी करियर में अभी तक, और ये पहली बार मेरे साथ हुआ है। इट डीपली हर्ट मी एंड इट डीपली अफेक्टेड मी। इसके बारे में जितना मैंने कहा था मैं कह चुकी हूँ। आगे हम इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग अथॉरिटीज़ के साथ हमेशा कोऑपरेट करते आए हैं। एंड जहाँ तक 6 करोड़ के कैश की डिस्कवरी हुई है मेरे घर में, ना तो मेरे गद्दों के नीचे वैसे पैसे थे, ना तो मैंने कभी उतना कैश देखा है। और बाकी सब के बारे में मैं आपको ऑलरेडी एक स्टेटमेंट दे चुकी हूँ। आई डोंट थिंक आई फील द नीड टू से एनीथिंग मोर।
This is Priyanka Chopra's first statement in person about the recent income tax raids that happened on our premises.
और आई थिंक अगली फिल्म में इनकम टैक्स रेट के ऊपर बनाने वाला हूँ, तो ये सवाल तब के लिए बचा के रखें। यहाँ हम सात खून माफ़ के लिए मिले हैं। और एक चीज़ जो मुझे पर्सनल लेवल पे पेन करती है कि हर किसी को बॉलीवुड चाहिए पब्लिसिटी के लिए। हज़ारों करोड़ के घोटाले होके सबके सामने वो लोग अभी भी पदों पर बैठे हुए हैं, उनको कुछ नहीं होगा, पर बॉलीवुड के किसी भी एक स्टार के पास जाके इतना बड़ा उसका हंगामा कर दिया जाता है। आई थिंक इट्स डिस्गस्टिंग। और मीडिया को इनफैक्ट शुड सपोर्ट द आर्टिस्ट। और जब तक फैक्ट्स ना आए इसके बारे में, मुझे लगता है इसके बारे में अब और आगे बात करना अब मुनासिब नहीं है।
What a sad and truly sorrowful day has befallen our dear Susanna.
I, Susanna Anna Marie Johannes, I'm grateful that you have joined me in my time of grief.
Gossip doing the rounds that Shahid Kapoor was present at Priyanka Chopra's residence at the time of IT raids. So what is the truth according to Priyanka Chopra?
There were also reports that Shahid was there to support you. How true was this?
The only person, my mom was not home at that point, and Shahid lives 3 minutes away from me. So yes, I did call him because there was nobody else I could call at that point. So he was there when this happened. He was the only person that I could call who would come immediately. So yes, he was there.
Quite a few intimate scenes in the promos of Saath Khoon Maaf. So how comfortable was Priyanka with these scenes?
We've seen some intimate scenes of yours in the promos as such. I think with quite a few gentlemen. With Vivan is there, with John is there as well. So how was that equation for you, having so many men and being intimate with them as such in the same film?
First of all, you're talking about marriages, and I don't know of any marriage without intimacy. And there's a filmmaker here who conceives the film, and I think if you're going to show love and you're going to show pain, it comes along with a lot of other emotions. There's never an isolated emotion of hatred or love or anger or intimacy. So when you're showing a scene, I'm an actor and I'm playing that character to as much of my comfort as I could. Vishal sir and his conception is what this film has been about, and beyond that it would not have been, and nor is.
And at the same time, she has worked with stalwarts like Irfan Khan, Nasiruddin Shah and Anu Kapoor in the film. So how was that experience?
You work with the people like Nasiruddin Shah and Anu Kapoor, Irfan Khan, who are fantastic actors. So how was that experience?
It was very nerve-wracking initially because I had never worked with any of them. Anu sir I have known for a while. Nasir sir I had done a workshop with right before I started the film, which really helped me because he's an institution of cinema in himself. And of course Irfan, who's tremendously talented. And we in fact started the first schedule of the film with Irfan, and it was a very tricky age for me because it was about 37, 40. That's a very difficult age to play. So I was very nervous, and I completely relied on my director to take me through that, and he did.
The film based on Chetan Bhagat's novel Two States has been in news for quite some time. earlier Siddharth Anand was directing it, and Priyanka Chopra and Saif Ali Khan were supposed to act in it. Now Vishal Bharadwaj is directing it, and Shah Rukh Khan is going to be acting in it. So who can possibly be the actress in it? Let's find out from Vishal himself.
You're also working on this movie called Two States on Chetan Bhagat's novel, which Shah Rukh is acting in it. Earlier, Siddharth Anand was directing it, and at that point of time, Saif and Priyanka were there. And still, as of now, the heroine is not decided for that. So, are there any chances that whom are you considering for that particular film?
अभी तो मुझे खुद भी डिसाइड करना है कि मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ. बहुत चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं कि मैं टू स्टेट्स को भी कंसिडर कर रहा हूँ, मैं रस्किन साहब का एक और नावल है उसको कंसिडर कर रहा हूँ, मैं शेक्सपियर को भी कंसिडर कर रहा हूँ अगली फिल्म करने के लिए. तो अभी मैं खुद अनडिसाइडेड हूँ. जब तक सात खून माफ रिलीज नहीं हो जाती, I can't think of anything else.
The music of Vishal's last few films like Kamine and Omkara was a chartbuster, a big draw in terms of box office. In terms of Saath Khoon Maaf, Darling has become quite a crowd puller. But the other songs are quite gentle, quite subtle, and they take time in growing. They're wonderful songs. So does Vishal Bharadwaj think that it may prove to be a bit of an aberration as far as the box office pull of Saath Khoon Maaf is concerned?
In Kamine, you had these, I think, chartbuster songs, starting with Dan Tanan, and even the other songs, they were instantly popular. We are seeing in Saath Khoon Maaf, Darling has come about, it's caught on. But the other songs, they're wonderful, but they're subtle songs. They take time in growing. Do you feel in a way that maybe it's a bit of an aberration in terms of how people take to in terms of box office at a later stage?
Well, I think Darling is becoming very popular, and rest of the songs are also catching up. So, and I never, as I said, कि मैंने कभी ये सोच के नहीं काम करता हूँ. तो जिस तरह से फिल्म की सिचुएशन में गानों की ज़रूरत थी, मैंने वैसे ही गाने बनाए.
Like say, Omkara, the songs they caught on big time. They're still like kind of sung, and Kamine as well, like Dan Tanan and even the other songs, they had caught on big time.
ओमकारा का भी म्यूज़िक जो था वो फिल्म लगने के बाद हिट हुआ था. अगर हम लोग उस वक्त को याद करें तो बीड़ी फिल्म लगने के बाद पॉपुलर हुआ था, नमक इश्क लगने के बाद पॉपुलर हुआ था. आई थिंक स्टिल देयर आर लॉट ऑफ टाइम, एंड फिल्म आएगी तो और रिलेट करेंगे उस म्यूजिक से.
Let's bring you some more highlights from this event.
I'll tell you my Valentine's plan. I am going to give you 7 ways of getting rid of your Valentine.
ये सुजैना का जो कैरेक्टर है, बहुत बार मुझसे ये फिल्म बनाते हुए भी सवाल पूछा गया कि वो उसे मारने की क्या ज़रूरत थी, डिवोर्स क्यों नहीं ले लिया, छोड़ क्यों नहीं दिया उसे. तो एक एनेक्डोट है उसके कैरेक्टर का जो कि फिल्म में भी है कि साहेब, उसको साहेब बुलाते हैं प्यार से फिल्म में, कि साहेब जब बचपन में स्कूल पैदल जाया करती थी तो 2 रास्ते थे पहुंचने के, ना एक छोटा ना दूसरा बड़ा, दोनों बराबर. फिर जाने कहाँ उस रास्ते पे एक पागल सा कुत्ता आके उनको रोज़ डराने लगा. साहिब चाहती तो रास्ता बदल सकती थी, मगर उन्होंने बड़े साहिब की छोटी पिस्तौल अपने बस्ते में छुपाई और ढिचकियाँ. तो साहिब रास्ता नहीं बदला करती, कुत्तों का भेजा उड़ा देती हैं बचपन से. शाहरुख, I showed him few scenes and he said that Priyanka is a shiro. If we are hero, then Priyanka is a shiro.
What would you say on that, Priyanka? I mean, would you react to this?
I think he's being too kind to me. That's what I would say.
Kept Kareena waiting for 4 hours at an award ceremony rehearsal. How true is that?
I think I was the one who went and told her that she shouldn't wait because I think there was a slotting that happened which went wrong. My act at that award function required a huge production, and she arrived there early, and I knew it would take a few more hours, whereas she was being told that it wouldn't. It would just take about an hour. So when I met her, I told her that it will take about 3-4 hours. So it was not a deliberate attempt to make anybody waiting. I don't like waiting for people, so I wouldn't like anybody waiting for me.
Apparently, you're working on Hamlet. You have planned to cast Hrithik in it?
No. I never wanted to cast Hrithik for Hamlet.
प्रियंका, डॉन के रीमेक में हमने देखा शाहरुख ने आपको जंगली बिल्ली बुलाया, और नाउ आप मर्डरर साथ पतियों का खून करती हैं, एंड यू आर ऑल्सो ब्यूटीफुल. तो एक खूनी हसीना, तो
आपका नया नाम मेरे लिए.
जी.
अच्छा.
जंगली बिल्ली,
पिगी चॉप्स, जंगली बिल्ली, देसी गर्ल और अब खूनी हसीना.
जी, जंगली बिल्ली.
Thank you.
Do you think, Vishal, that she is the most bankable female star in Bollywood? No pun intended.
Fashion.
Why do you want to get him into trouble? Poor thing. He has to work with a lot of female actors.
No, I have already said you are the best in your contemporaries, so you know the doors are shut already. So,
Sorry, sir. Damn it.
हमारा ये था कि अगर या तो साथों साथ आएं और या ना आएं, तो सबको साथ में लाना एक बड़ा मुश्किल सा काम था और फिर लगा कि सब एक दूसरे जेलस होकर एक दूसरे को ना मार दें।
इन सातों हस्बैंड्स में किसका खून करना सबसे मुश्किल था?
मुश्किल किसी का भी नहीं, इसलिए सबको ऐसे मार दिया।
अगर आपको 7 खून माफ हो प्रियंका को, तो किसका खून आप करना चाहेंगी?
आप में से किसी रैंडम 7 को पिकअप कर लूंगी बस। लेकिन जी हाँ, मुझे 7 खून माफ हैं, so be careful.
She is a fantastic singer and I want to make a musical with her where she should be singing all her songs.
Could it also tell us 7 ways of hooking a husband?
Hooking a husband?
Yeah.
That's easy. Just smile, you have a beautiful one.
The setting for today's event was quite different. Outside we had this entire scenery of the wedding situation, and inside there was this funeral of the 7 husbands. The way the entire situation was presented, and there was a priest who was doing the service, and there was a violinist who was playing fantastic sad music before Priyanka Chopra came in and Vishal Bharadwaj came in. So nice ambience to it. The only problem that we had while waiting over here was that the event started 2 hours late.
जिंदगी से लबालब, इश्क में मायूस, मेरी उदास उदास सुज़ैना, सारी उम्र सच्चे प्यार की तलाश में खाना बदोश रही.
This is Faridoon Shahryar with Zohaib Jamadar and cameraman Tahir Sheikh for Bollywood Hungama News Network.
दुनिया के सारे गलत आदमी मेरी ही किस्मत में लिखे थे.